Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4. Wants to presentation about architecture information. Before that, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Sultan.
And my name is Srinarti.
Okay, let's begin. Okay, in this section, I will read the PowerPoint. And what is architecture information? Architecture information is a mapping or planning of information needs with an organization. The function of AI is to make easier for information seeker to get information quickly. Second, to be able to help ensure all stages of web server site development run efficiently and smoothly. The third, can prevent time-consuming and costly change to visual design and programming. And the last, can help identify the number, location of navigation, permalink, and content placement. And the kind of AI, information architecture use a technology architecture that can be divided into three types. The first, centralized architecture. Centralized architecture that has been known since the 1960 with the mainframe as the main actor. And the second is decentralization architecture. Decentralization architecture is the concept of distribute that, data processing. And the last, client or server architecture. This is a package for merchants and small companies who need simple and secure payment facility. Client or server architecture. Definition of client server architecture. The concept of software architecture or software that connect to object in the form of client system and server system that communicate with each other through a computer network or one computer. The server will be provide application management, data, and client data security. And next is model client server. We have four model for client server. The first is single tier architecture. The model is simple, easy to use, and has at least an alternative. The second is two-tier architecture. This application connects one server to many clients with a network. This application can be placed with the distance of the client computer and remote server. Next is three-tier architecture. This architecture is a development of a two-tier architecture with an application server. Applications stand between a client and a database server that act as a business process. And the last is multi-tier architecture. It was a method very similar to the three tiers. The difference is in multi-tier will be clarified UI or user interface and data processing.
Okay, this is advantages client-server architecture. First, higher access speed because the provision of network facilities and their management is carried out specifically by one computer or server, which is not burned with other tasks such as a workstation. Second, system security and network administrator is more better. because there is a computer that acts as a network administrator which manages network administrator and security system. And third is easier to manage if the network is large because the administrator is centralized. And the last is all data can be backed up in one central location. And then this is the advantages about client-server architecture. The first is the operational costs are relatively more expensive. Second, it's necessary to have a special computer with more capabilities to be assigned as a server. And the third is requires higher hardware and is expensive for server machine. And the last is requires a professional administrator. Before the last presentation, we must to tell you about the conclusion and suggestion. For the first is conclusion. From the result of research that has been done, it can be concluded that the client-server system is a system with a method of sending or providing data from a computer source to a computer that requests it or vice versa in an efficient way. Client-server architecture can be divided in 4 models, namely single-tier, 2-tier, 3-tier, and multi-tier. Client-server also consists of 3 constituent components, namely client, middleware, and server, which are the foundation for the system to run properly. And the last is suggestion. Advantages and disadvantages in a system are also absolute. For example, the better and safer a client-server system, the more expensive it will be to design and maintain the client-server system.
That's all from us. If there is mistake from us, please forgive us. That's all. Wassalamualaikum
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.